Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income and tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tutorial videos for your clients that immediately solves an issue that they are having and helps you to reduce your frequently asked questions from other clients. Before we dive into this video, I just want to let you know that I've put any resources and links in the comment section below of the video, so definitely check those out. And if you find my content helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep creating content for you. Okay, so the two types of questions that clients normally ask are usually tech-based questions or knowledge-based questions, which make great tutorial videos. I keep all my questions in my Google Docs ready to easily answer. So you're either going to be recording yourself or you're going to be recording your screen answering your questions, or you could do both if you need to. Just a really handy tip, you're going to want to make sure that you start your video with something generic, something like hi friend or hiya or something like that, so that you can repurpose this tutorial video for anybody, for any of your clients. Now I use the desktop app of Loom, which is a paid version because there's just so many features and functions that I like way more better than recording inside the browser, but just for this demo purposes, I'm just going to show you how you do that. Okay, so you've got your question ready. Then you're going to go to new video, record video. And it's just going to come up with all the settings that you should already have. I'll just move this over here. Now, you don't have to have your face in here to answer the question if you don't want to. You can totally remove that. So you can just exit that out of there. So if you're just wanting to record your screen because it's like a tech tutorial, then you just go ahead and you hit record and it will start recording your screen and your voice, showing the client exactly what you need to do. If you want to make it a little bit more personal and you don't need to really record your screen doing your tech tutorial and it is just specifically answering a question and you want yourself to be, you know, right in the middle of the video and you want it to be really connecting, you can make the circle really big or you can make it even bigger, and what you could do is just put a nice background on and you can just specifically talk about the question, answer the question, and you can send that to your client. So it's really, really simple and easy. Once you've recorded your video and it is finished rendering inside of Loom, you can come and click onto the video. I'm just going to click here. Now remember, because you started this video with something generic like hi friend or hiya or anything like that, you can reuse this content for any clients or repurposing it. So it's super handy to build up a library of things like this so you can eliminate frequently asked questions or help more clients, and basically it just means that you can spread yourself around really, really easily. So to share this video, you have a couple of different options. You can copy the link, which is probably my most preferred way because it's just really simple. You just copy the link, you can send it in an email, send it in Slack, whatever it is that you use to share it. Or you can share the video this way, which gives you a little bit more permissions, just the same as Google Docs. So anyone with the link can view, you know, only people added can access, things like that. So it just depends on how you want to do it. Or if you really want to share the answer to this question on social media, then you can do all of these share options. And if you want to embed it into your website on your frequently asked questions page, which is a really great idea, you can also do that as well. So you can see that by, you know, having a content bank of all of your clients' questions, if you make video content about it and then you can just reshare it everywhere else or send it to them, it's actually going to help your clients more and it's going to make your job a little bit easier. So if you enjoyed my content today, please like the video, make sure you subscribe, even leave a comment below to let me know that you are loving this content so I can create more for you.